Okay, so what's up guys? So guys, Appearance once again. And guys, in today's video, I would like us to start everything from scratch. Okay, I would like to start everything with you. I don't want to show you proof of what I've done. No, I would like all of us to start everything, what I have found and is working for me, and what you need to know. But before that, before anything else, I would like all of you to do something for me. Go to your YouTube right now, or you are watching me right now, or or send my video to all your friends who are watching right now, or recommend me to a friend. Just go to YouTube and type in out the name Shapiro Acid. Okay, so very quick. So recommend to your friend to type in the name Shapiro Acid. After they have typed in the name Shapiro Acid on YouTube, and pop-up menu will come, and I'll be the first link there. You can see that's the first link there. So click on it, click on my picture that you have seen there. So let me just click on it real quick. Okay, real quick, it's loading. Okay, so now when you're here, I want you to do something for me. I want you to what? Click on the subscribe button. You can see that the subscribe button, only click on it and click on the bell icon below to be notified anytime I drop more videos. Okay, so when you click on the bell icon, anytime I drop new money making online video, you'll be the first to watch. You can see I have a bunch of videos there talk about how to make money online, and also not forgetting to make sure that you leave me a like when you think that what I'm doing in this video you are really liking it. Leave me a like on this video, and what, so share the video to all your friends who are looking for a way to make money online. And I only drop, and also what, comment below, let me know your biggest problem, or if you have any suggestion, if you think that I've done something wrong in this video, comment below and let me know your biggest problem. So with all that, I think we are good to go. I think by now you have subscribed, you have turned on notification, you have comment below, you have liked the video, you have shared the video to all your friends. I think you have done all those things and you're good to go. So with that much I said, with that much of your time I waste, let's just go to the main reason why you're here. Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how you'll be able to get free Litecoin. What, Litecoin. So if this is your first time on my channel, I always talk about what, TrustWallet. So if you don't know what TrustWallet is, just go to your Play Store or Apple Store and go search for TrustWallet on Play Store or Apple Store. Okay, as I'm taking my time to explain this into you vividly, so drop your WhatsApp, drop your thing, and listen to what I'm coming to say. Okay, I already have it on my phone, you can see. So when you don't have it, yours will be what, installed. Mine is update because I already have it on my phone. So all that I need to do is just go back and go to my phone and click on the TrustWallet. You can see this is the TrustWallet I have. So when you create a new account, this is how your own will be like. This is how a new account look like. So when you have a new account, you click at the corner where you can see where my recording button is. You click on, you have some arrows there. Where my recording button, click on the arrow and search for a token called what, Litecoin. Okay, let me just. Okay, so you can see the first one there, that's Litecoin. Make sure that you turn on the notification of the Litecoin and click on it. So when you turn it on, it will be on your dashboard, as you can see. So you can see this is our new account. We didn't even do any transaction yet. We didn't do anything yet. So after you have done with this account, then you are good to go. Now the next thing I'm going to show you in this video is what, an app that is going to mine the free Litecoin for you. The app that I have drew more research on it, and guys, I can boldly say that this app is 100% legit and it's working. As you can see, they say what, will provide you real miners to mine your Litecoin with 100%, as you can show, guarantee assurance. So guys, I have done my research on this app and I'm here to recommend this app to you. So all that you need to do on this app is what, is to earn your massive income. You need to register for a free account with your Litecoin address, and you start mining. And guys, they also have what, a plan. They also have a plan that you need to pay, and when you pay, the mining speed will be faster than the free plan. But we are not here to pay. Okay, we are not here to spend any money on this app. We're going to use the free plan. But I would advise you, if you want to use the paid plan, do more research about the site yourselves and know much about the site before you go in for that. Okay, but here in today's video, we are going for a free plan. You're not going to go for any pay plan. So all that I need to all of you to do is click on what you can see, they say get started. But before that, I know by now all of you have subscribed, you have liked the video, you have shared the video to all your friends, and you have comments below. So let's click on the get started. So when you click on the get started, it should take you to a page that look like this. Okay, so they said your wallet address and your password. So when you're here, all that you need to go is go back to the Trust Wallet that you have created earlier. So let me just go back to my Trust Wallet that I have created earlier. Okay, so let me just click on the TrustWallet. Okay, that's my password. Let me just click on the password. Okay, now when you're here, all that you need to do is click on receive. So when you click on receive, you're just going to click on a copy, then it will automatically copy your Litecoin address. When you click on the copy, the all that you need to do once again is go back to the app and paste your address there. So let me just paste my address real quick. Okay, sorry, let me just paste my address. Okay, paste. Okay, then you create a password that you will not forget. So make sure that you create a password that you not forget. And guys, before I forget, I will leave the link to the app in the description box below. Okay, it will be the first link in the description box below. So okay, now let's continue. Now you click on start mining. So after you have provided with your details, you click on start mining, into what redirecting you to your account. So let's just wait for it to direct us to our account. And guys, make sure that you give my thumbs up when you think what I'm doing, you really like what I'm doing in this video. Okay, now here we are on my side. You can see that as I automatically log in is what it started mining itself. So all that you need to do a day is to log in with the app and just leave it there for it to working on its own. So as you can see, we have the withdrawal button here, we have the Telegram, we have the white paper. Let me just scroll down. You can see that you must enter a valid email address, otherwise you will not be able to regain access to your account if you forget your password. Okay, so this one is very, very, very important. So you have to click here, click there to submit your email address, your password, your new password, your current password. And also you can see we have the referral link there, and the referral link you can even send it to your friends. When they join, you get a commission for that, and also a minimum. So guys, I encourage all of you who want to take this app serious. But guys, this app is not going to make you rich. This app is not going to make you rich, but you can generate some small income from it before moving on with another. So make sure that you submit your email address to them, and anytime your account is blocked, it will be help you to get your account back. Because you can see that's the plans that we have there. In case you have money and you want to go into cryptocurrency, you want to buy it, you are good to go. You are good to click on the app, but make sure that you do a vivid background research about this app before you're going to do anything. Okay, so in case you want to withdraw, all that you need to do is click on the withdraw button, and the maximum withdraw is 0.05 Litecoin. And then okay, as you can see, so all that you need to do is when you're qualified to withdraw, just enter the amount that you need to withdraw, and I think that's good you need to do. So guys, I will encourage all of you that this app is very, very legit. Okay, I've taken my time to do background research about this app, and I recommend this app to you all. I think this app will help you to gain Litecoin to your TrustWallet account. So those of you who are looking for a way to mine free BTC, free Litecoin, just watch out. I have a lot of videos, I have a lot of apps that I'm doing research on them. The moment that I realize that it's working 100%, I'll come here and record a video about it to you. Also, just subscribe and click on the bell icon below to stay tuned, and you'll be the first to be notified that I drop more videos, because I have more videos coming. I have more interesting videos that you like. I have more of them coming, videos like this video about how to make money online. So I think that's all I have for you in this video. If you have any comments, you have any suggestion, you think that I've done something wrong in this video, just give me a dislike on this video, and click on the give me a dislike on this video, and comment below. Let me know the biggest problem, and next time on my video I'll work on myself, because I like to improve myself. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you on my next video.